Hey guys, Happy New Year. Let's dive into 3 stocks to buy right now in this new year. First one on the list is Rivian. This EV stock has been on a wild ride, but it's starting to look really promising. Here is why. Over the past week, this stock found support at the key 10, 25 and 50 week moving averages. And that's a really strong foundation. And just last week, this stock finally broke out and pushing past that 1550 resistance level. So the buying range is anywhere between 1566 to 1644 with the stop loss around 1441 to manage any risk. For option traders out there, check out the January 18 call, which is active and it's looking pretty attractive at 50 cents. So this stock is now worth adding to your watch list. Alright, next up is Rubmble. This stock is another strong buy. Here is why. After a long sideways move, this stock finally found support at the 10, 25 and 50 week moving averages. A couple of weeks ago, it broke out with a big way with a massive volume. That's a great sign. Now it looks like this stock is taking a breather and cooled off a bit last week. So it is worth adding to our watch list now. So if you are looking to buy, keep an eye on the range between 1343 to 1410 with the stop losses around 1236 to manage any risk. And for the option traders out there, check out this one, the January 15 call, which is trading around 50 cents. So that is worth adding to your watch list, so don't miss it out. And finally we got SoundHound AI. This stock looking like a strong buy right now, and here is why. After a long sideways move, this stock finally bounced off from the 10-week moving average and offered a great entry point around $9. Since then, it had a nice pop and looks like things are cooling off and offering another buying opportunity. That was, I believe. So here is what to watch. The buying range is anywhere between 20.62 to 21.65 with the stop losses around 18.97. For the option traders out there, check out this one, the January 25 call, which is trading little over $1. So this stock is now worth adding to your watch list. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. All these stocks are tracked in the website. I will put the link below. So please check it out. I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, as always, happy trading.